the scene.
I'm past the cones.
You don't get off the scene, you're going to be going out of here in handcuffs. Now get out the scene. I can't believe you just walked up here with electric line. This is why the car's here. The scene is shut down. Are you with the press or something?
Huh?
Are you with the press?
I could be.
Yeah. Get off my scene.
How am I supposed to go back over to work?
I guess you have to go around St. Michael's Road.
I'm going to walk down there and I'm going to go to fucking work.
Well, that's fine. Then go to fuck to work.
Can I get your name and badge number since you want to cuss at me?
Corporal Moore, ID number 2269. No, I don't.
Can you write down your info?
Yeah, it's no big deal, dude. I'm just letting you know
No,
the electric lines are down.
Go write down your info because you're going to learn you're getting a complaint on you.
That's fine. You can call the barrack right now. It's fine.
Go write it down.
It's right there. It's Moore.
No,
ID
I
number
need
2269.
I need it written down.
I'm not writing anything down. You can call the barrack.
Meet Corporal Scott Moore, ID number 2269, of the Maryland State Police Department. He's stationed at the Easton Barrack, Maryland State Police Department. Jay Cutts reached out to me and sent me these video clips. I immediately started working on it. Jay Cutts runs a lawn care YouTube channel. He watches my channel whenever he takes a break from work. And let me just say that it's channels like mine that inspire folks to learn their rights and use them at an appropriate time like this. This time, Jay Cutts' break turns into a real life situation. Folks, if you're not subscribed to my channel, you might want to do that now. I guarantee you that you will learn from it. You guys are absolutely going to like this video. Make sure to go subscribe and say hello to Jay Cutts. Let him know I sent you. And make sure that the Maryland State Police Department knows that Jay Cutts has our support. That way they don't try to go and bully him just because these videos have come out. If that begins to happen, looks like we're all going to have to take some trips out to Maryland. All right, guys, without further ado, enjoy this video.
Walk around. See what we can find.
Help you? All right, get off my scene.
You gonna put up tape? You gonna put up some tape?
Take for what?
It's a scene. You got.
The electric line's down.
Am I under it?
Get off my scene.
I'm past the cones.
You don't get off the scene, you're going to be going out of here in handcuffs. Now get out the scene. I can't believe you just walked up here with electric line. This is why the car's here. The scene is shut down. Are you with the press or something?
Huh?
Are you with the press?
I could be.
Yeah. Get off my scene.
How am I supposed to go back over to work?
I guess you have to go around St. Michael's Road.
I'm going to walk down there and I'm going to go to fucking work.
Well, that's fine. Then go to fuck to work.
Can I get your name and badge number since you want to cuss at me?
Corporal Moore, ID number 2269.
Since you want to cuss at somebody?
Well, you're on my scene. I got electric lines down.
That doesn't mean you cuss at people, sir.
You just cussed at me.
That doesn't matter. You should stay professional at all times.
I am professional.
No, cussing is not professional.
Okay, just please leave my scene.
Cussing's not
This is a
professional.
dangerous situation, as you can see.
Cussing's not professional. Go ahead and roll your eyes. I'll be contacted later. I'll put in an IA about you. You'll go ahead and get an IA on you. I'm going to stand over here on his private property. Go ahead and fucking say something. You better get more people down here because I'm going to go on that end. That's not blocked off. Dumb motherfucker. We're going to walk right back around on this other side. Oh no, I'm going to have to go out that way. They started fucking with me for recording. That cop down there. Yeah, he's like, you're on my scene. I said, well, put on some fucking tape. I wasn't even up underneath of him. I was standing back like this. He wasn't going by. Put on some fucking tape if it's a scene. God damn, he ain't got this side blocked off. Anybody can walk up here.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm not no dummy. I'm not going to let that shit fall on me.
I ain't either, I hope.
I'm almost done anyway. He's legit. See, he ain't got no problem with me fucking being here. He knows. I'm staying away. This is probably a good 30, 40 feet. Fuck that shit up. He took that pole clean out. Dang. Alright. I'm gonna get over here and get back to work.
Just want to apologize. I mean, the electric lines were down. They're trying to get their job done.
You got a business card?
No, I don't.
Can you write down your info?
Yeah, it's no big deal, dude. I'm just letting you know
No,
the electric lines were down.
Go write down your info because you're gonna learn. You're getting a complaint on you.
That's fine. You can call the barrack right now. That's
Go
fine.
write it down.
It's right there. It's more.
No,
ID
I
number
need it.
2269.
I need it written down.
I'm not writing anything down. You can call the barrack.
See,
So you can videotape me all you want.
You see how the attitude you're giving me now?
I'm not giving you attitude, but I just want to let you know there was electric lines down.
It's
The guys
easy.
were trying to cut the power off.
It's easy to go write your info down for a citizen so they can so they know.
You can call the barrack, 410-819-4747. It's Corporal Moore, ID number 2269. Okay? You can call right now if you want.
Well, why can't you write it down?
You
Then?
don't have a pen and paper on me, that's fine.
Fair enough excuse.
Okay?
But you could have said, sir, I don't have pen and paper on
I
me.
don't have pen and paper on me.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right?
One more question.
Okay.
What's your favorite amendment to the Constitution?
My favorite what?
Amendment to the Constitution.
What kind of question is that?
Which is your favorite amendment to the Constitution?
I'm not going to entertain any more questions that you have.
I mean, what kind?
Oh, man.
You see that? Hey, what'd I tell y'all? Anytime you bring up the Constitution, it's fucking blank. Anytime you bring up the Constitution, it's blank. Never an answer from any cop you ever talk to. any cop you ever talk to never say anything about the Constitution. I'll be requesting that public record. Fucking can back. Here, you want a better picture? You want my good side or my bad side? I'll be requesting everything on that phone too now since it's public record. Okay? Look, you see how professional they are? Don't want to answer questions about the Constitution. Can back because he's salty. Can back because he's salty. So if you're wondering why I'm asking cops what their favorite amendment to the Constitution is, it's simple. It's just to show people how a lot of cops out there don't really care about the Constitution. There's really only one answer any law enforcement officer should give you when you ask them what their favorite amendment to the Constitution is. One answer. All of them. No other. It's plain and simple. Easy.
All right, folks, I'm going to leave the number 410-819-4747. That is to the Maryland State Police Department at the Easton Barrack. Corporal Scott Moore obviously doesn't know how to treat the people. He walks up to people and tells them, "Get out of my scene." Well, Corporal Scott Moore, as a great man who runs a YouTube channel called Press Harder once said, "This is my effing scene." You guys make sure you go subscribe to J Cuts. If you guys want to make some complaints to the State Police Department, I left the phone number on there as well. I'll also put it in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.